dark in the morning, but have I noticed a tiny bit more light at the end of the day?
You have, and it's very exciting. Days are getting longer, right? As of January 15th, the days get longer and longer. And I can say that since that date, we've actually gained a good 22 minutes of sunshine. So the sun will rise around 7:30 this morning compared to 7:40 a week ago. And it is going to bed, so sunset as of today, 4:50. So we're only 10 minutes away from that 5 p.m. mark. So it looks like we may be hitting that, I'd say like in a week or two. And then after that, like once we pass that 5 p.m. mark, I find it just
But the glow stays, right? So it is still light-ish till 5. And you're right, it makes a huge difference in the evening.
It's so nice. So there you go. Days are getting longer.
And what will
there is hope.
There's hope. What will the weather be like today at 5? That's the question.
There is hope for today's weather as well, because we're not seeing any craziness like we have all week long. We're looking at more seasonal temperatures, -9 right now in Montreal, -10 in the Eastern Townships, -11 in Quebec City. -4 is where we're going to settle this afternoon. That's a couple degrees above normal seasonal, but much closer to seasonal than what we've been seeing in the last few days. It's going to feel like -10, and what's nice today is, yes, the winds are going to start gusting as of this afternoon up to 50 kilometers an hour, so it is going to be a windy day, but those winds are coming in from the southwest, so it's going to be a warmer wind. There is a slim chance of flurries. The reason why we're not sure if it's going to happen or not are because of those winds. With winds gusting up to 50 kilometers an hour, the weather can change every hour. So that cloud is there. Is it going to be above Montreal? Is it going to be above Laval? Is it going to be in the Eastern Townships? It depends on how the winds are going to move that. So if we do see flurries, it's no more than a centimeter, so we don't really have to worry that much. What we do have to worry about is the roller coaster ride that we are on. Mother Nature really bringing us for a ride. From today's -4, we fall down to -13 tomorrow. That sunshine will stay in the sky, which is quite nice. Again, small chance of flurries. If that happens, it will depend on the winds moving that system out of the way. Sunday, though, we're not getting away from it. We're looking at 2 to 4 centimeters of snow, but the temperatures rise a good 11 degrees, and we are going to have a high of -2. So from below normal seasonal, we go back to above normal seasonal on Sunday. We fall quite dramatically to below normal seasonal on Monday with -17. That's a 15-degree drop in one day for the high. So Monday is going to be quite cold, beautiful and sunny, but quite cold. And on Tuesday, we are going to see that temperature rise all the way back up to seasonal again with that -5. But we are going to see a chance of 10 to 15 centimeters of snow. The system that is coming in on Tuesday is still too far to predict. We have Environment Canada saying that it might fall as rain. We have chances that it might fall as snow. So we're going to keep an eye on that as the week progresses. But truly, it is those temperatures that are yo-yoing that have everybody talking. The good news, though, is that we're not seeing any kind of precipitation that can aggravate what we have on the roads right now, which is quite slippery. And Dan can give us more about that a little later on in the show, Andrea.